DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling jars and making painted birch candle holders. And the glow is just beautiful. Now I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some birch candle holders. Large pickle jars and cheap glass vases from a thrift store work perfectly for this project. I'm using a cosmetic sponge, but you could use a soft bristle brush. It's up to you. If you want a more opaque look, just dab on a second layer of paint after the first one dries. This technique works best with a dry brush, and if you have an old, stiff, dried up brush, even better. Just a quick reminder to leave a comment and say hello. I love hearing from all of you. I'm going to leave a link in the description to everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.